Hello students, today we are going to see this topic Boolean algebra. Okay, so this is included in chapter 2 as a part 2. Okay, so Boolean algebra is a mathematical discipline that is used for designing digital circuits in digital computer. It describes the relation between input and output of digital circuit. The name Boolean algebra has been given in honor of the English mathematician George Boole, who proposed the basic principles of this algebra. So here you can see that uh, it is a separate division or separate discipline in mathematics. So it is used in designing digital circuits. Okay, digital circuits like IC, motherboard. So if you want to create a digital circuit, then you must know this Boolean algebra. So this is the Boolean, okay, George Boolean. So he lived between 1815 to 1864. George Boole was born to a lower class family and only received an elementary school education. Despite that, he taught himself highly advanced mathematics and different languages as a teenager without any assistance. He started teaching at the age of 16 and started his own school at the age of 19. By his mid 20s, he has mastered most of the important mathematical principles in his days. So Boolean valued quantities. Okay, so here you can see that in our day-to-day life, what are all the Boolean decisions that we take. Okay, Boolean means 0 or 1. So Boolean means true or false, or you can take it as 0 or 1. 1 means true, 0 means false. So here you can see that every day we have to make logical decisions. Okay, should I carry a computer science book every day? Yes or no? 8 minus 10 is equal to 10. Is answer correct? Yes or no? Chennai is the capital of India. Yes or no? What did I say yesterday? So these are all the different questions that we arise in our day-to-day life, which gives us answer like yes or no, or true or false. So true means one, false means zero. So this thing is proposed by this uh, mathematician George Boole. The first three questions thrown above, the answer may be true or false. But the fourth one we cannot be answered as uh, true or false. Thus, sentence which can be determined to be true or false are called logical statement. Okay, so whichever statement that gives you answer as true or false is known as logical statement or truth function. Okay, so it is also known as truth function. The the result true or false are called truth value. The truth value depicted by a logical constant. 0 or 1 means true or 0 means false. The variable which can store this value is called logical value variable or binary valid variable or boolean variable. Okay, so as I said earlier, the statement which gives you uh, answers like true or false is known as logical statement or truth function. The values that contains 0 or 1 is known as truth value, and here you can see that the variable that contains this 0 or 1 is known as logical variable or binary valid variable or boolean variable. Okay, so as they can store one of the two values, either true or false. So here comes the next important part, logical operator. Okay, so you know some operators like plus, minus. So these are plus is additional operator. Okay, operator means it is a symbol that is used to do some action. So here also this logical symbols that are used to do some action. So here you can see that Boolean algebra makes use of variables and operations which is function. Okay, do some task. So that is operations. So the basic logical operators are and are not. Okay, so which are symbolized by dot, plus, uh, and by over slash. Okay, so you'll be writing a bar over a letter which is known as not. Okay, so uh, single apostrophe respectively. Okay, so these symbols are called logical operators. So and means dot, or means plus, not means bar. Okay, so the truth table. Okay, the truth table represents all possible values of logical variable or statement, along with all possible results of a given combination of truth values. So this is truth table. So what is truth table? It will have the all the possible inputs of that particular symbol or that particular logical statement. So it will contain all possible inputs, and it will provide you the respective output of that particular all possible input. Okay, so we'll see that. So the first one is AND operator. AND operator is defined in Boolean algebra by use of this dot operator. It is similar to the multiplication in ordinary algebra. Uh, the AND operator combines two or more inputs so that the output is true only if all the inputs are true. The truth table of two input AND gate is shown below. Okay, so this is a truth table. Here you can see that A, B are the input and Y is the output. So A, B is all possible combinations of true and false. Okay, so A can be either true, uh, B or B true or false, or B can be true or false. Okay, so with this we can create four possible inputs. Okay, so A is true, A is false, and B is false. A is false, B is true. So A is true, B is false, and two inputs are true. Okay, so with these two inputs, either you can create the output. Okay, uh, the output of this respective inputs is displayed in Y. Okay, if two inputs are false, then the answer will be false. If any one of the uh, inputs is true, then that is also false. The output is also false. When both the inputs are true, then it will be 1, okay, the answer will be true. So that's what they have given in the above paragraph. um, the AND operator combines two or more input variables the the output is true only if all the inputs are true. So when all the inputs are true, when two A is true and B is true, then output will be true. Okay, any one of the variable, any one of the input is true means then that is also false, and all the inputs are false means that output also false. Okay, so that is the thing here in AND gate. So here you can see that they have given an expression y is equal to a dot b. A dot means multiplication. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, that is also 0. 1 into 0, that is also 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, so this is the logical expression, okay, logical statement y is equal to a dot b. So next is R. Okay, so here also there are using the same truth table but with a different concept. Okay, so here the plus sign is used to indicate the OR operation. The OR operator combines two or more input variables so that the output is true if at least one input is true. The truth table for the two input OR operation is shown as follows. Okay, so here you can see that the same truth table but with a different output. Okay, so here you can see that OR operator means at least if you have one input as true, then the output will be true. So in AND gate we discussed that all the inputs are true, then your output will be true. So here any one input is true, then the output will be true. Okay, so that's what it's given here. So the first input is 0 0. A is 0 and B is 0. So A is false and B is also false, so the output is false. Okay, since both the inputs are false, then the output is false. Okay, so if A is false but B is true, then the output is true. So either any one of the inputs are true, then the output will be true. Okay, so now here in the next option, A is true but B is false, then the answer is true. Next is both the inputs are true, then the output is true. So there is an expression here y is equal to a plus b, which is normal addition. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is actually it is 2, but it gives you an output. Okay, so that's what they consider, and the answer is 1. Okay, so next is NOT operator. So the NOT operator has one input and one output. So it takes only one input and it gives us only one output. The input is either true or false and the output is always opposite, that is the NOT operator inverts the input. The truth table for that is displayed here. The truth table for NOT operator with A is an input variable and Y is the output as shown here. Okay, so here in NOT operator you can see that it provides you only the inverse. Okay, so if you provide 0, then it will invert it means it will be converted as opposite. Okay, so if you give 0, it will provide you 1. If you provide 1, it will invert it and provide you 0. So this is the uh, NOT operator. You can see that there are giving some examples here, expression here. Y is equal to a bar. So y is equal to a which is inverted, which is means that bar means it will invert the input. You can see that this is Boolean algebra. So next is an example. Consider the Boolean equation d is equal to a plus b bar into c. Okay, so d is equal to 1. D is equal to 1 true if a is 1, or if b bar into c is 1. That is b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 1. So these are all the different kinds of expression. Okay, so with this small expression you can create a digital circuits. Okay, so this is a small expression d is equal to a plus b bar into c. Okay, so so this is a small expression. With this you can create a digital circuit in such a way that it takes 3 input a b c. So with this 3 input it will provide you output as d. Okay, so with this we'll finish the class. So these 3 gates like and, or, not. Okay, so these are all the uh, basic logical operations of Boolean algebra, and, or, not. Okay, so fundamentals of Boolean algebra, in that we have seen logical operator. So in this logical operator we have seen 3 things: and, or, and, not. Okay, so and means dot, or means plus, and not means bar. Okay, so this is the symbols that are used for logical operator. With this we'll finish the class today. We'll see the rest of the things in the next class. Thank you, students.